Are you tired of juggling multiple tools and apps to manage your business and life as an entrepreneur? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. Notion has revolutionized the way we organize and work, and today I'm going to show you the ultimate Notion setup for entrepreneurs, complete with templates and customization ideas that will take your productivity to the next level. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that allows you to create databases, Kanban boards, calendars, and even note-taking templates all in one place. This means you can finally say goodbye to switching between different apps and hello to streamlined workflow and increased efficiency. With Notion, you can create custom templates to suit your business needs, from project management to marketing and sales tracking. Let's start with the basics, setting up your Notion workspace. First, you'll need to create a new page and set up your database. I recommend using the Kanban board template, which allows you to visually organize your tasks and projects. To create a Kanban